Okay, so what I'd like to do here is create a web app that displays streaming data in live time. And the reason I want to do that is because my father and I and our company, we have a product that measures temperature. And I'd like to create a cool visualization for when we're showing potential customers. So this is my mock data stream. Just posts temperatures, mean of 150 with a little bit of variation to localhost 5000. So let me go ahead and run this and show you what it looks like. So now if we go to localhost 5000, you can see our mock temperature. And every time we refresh the page, we're doing another GET request. Our temperatures are updating as well as the timestamp. So this is looking good. So I use ChatGPT and GPT-4 quite a bit because it really increases your productivity. So I'm going to go straight to ChatGPT and see how far we can get. So in Python, create a Plotly dash app that does the following. Sometimes I like bulleted lists because you can really define the different steps that it should take to accomplish your task. So the first thing it's going to do is perform GET requests to localhost 5000 to retrieve the latest. Probably don't need to fix this, but the latest data, the latest live streaming data. The payload is in the following format. Create a line plot visualization that displays all 8 temperatures as separate lines. The y-axis should be temperature, and the x-axis should be time. Perform a new GET request every 0.5 seconds. This will mean that you have 2 new data points to plot each second. All right, let's see where this gets us. I'll be surprised if it gets it on the first try, but a lot of times it actually does. So I'll just put this in a new file called app.py. And one thing I really like about Flask is this debug mode for the server. So once we start it up, we can even edit this source code here without having to stop and restart the server, and it'll update what is rendered, what it's doing. So let's go ahead and start this and see what happens. Okay, well, it runs. Okay, so that's looking all right, but something's up with the time. I don't think it's doing every half second, or if it is, I don't know what it's doing. Well, here it's performing a GET request. 240, 15. every second. Why is it not updating? Okay. So let's tell ChatGPT the problem we're having. See if we can fix it. So you can see that new GET request is performed every second. However, the plot is not updating live as it should. Please fix the code so that the plot updates every time new data is returned. Okay, that makes sense. Let's try it. Yep, so I don't even need to restart the server. I just hit save, and then this will update. Let's try this again. Let's go ahead and stop it. That way we can better see what's actually going on. All right. This time it is working. So 2 attempts in about 7 minutes. So if I was doing this without ChatGPT, since I don't use Plotly Dash a lot, this would have probably taken me about an hour. So if you're not using ChatGPT or GPT-4 to help you with your coding, you really need to. It saves you a bunch of time, and I've heard it said a few times, and I totally agree with this. But AI is not going to replace humans anytime soon. One day it will. Well, it's already replacing people in certain industries, but it's not going to replace programmers for a while. But programmers using ChatGPT will replace those who don't. So start using it. I also recommend getting the premium membership, $20 a month, and that gets you access to GPT-4, which, from my experience, is quite a bit better than ChatGPT. Even though, as you can see, even with ChatGPT, we can do a lot of things, and sometimes it'll get you the complete solution on the first attempt. So hope you enjoyed it, and that's how to do a live streaming Dash app in about 7 minutes.